In this video, we will briefly discuss flowcharts and how to use them to represent an algorithm. A flowchart is a visual representation of a workflow, process, or algorithm. It can be used in a variety of domains and applications. In the field of computer science, a flowchart can help develop, communicate, and archive algorithms in a language-independent approach, just like pseudocode. Although using boxes to draw the flow of a process can work and is considered a flowchart, more formal flowcharts follow certain rules and standards. For example, a flowchart flows from top to bottom and left to right. Also, different shapes are used to indicate various components of the chart. Let's have a look at some of these shapes. An algorithm has a single start point and a single end point. The rounded rectangle or oval shape usually indicates the start and end of an algorithm. Taking input or printing out output is represented in a flowchart using a parallelogram. A connector node is used to merge different paths into a single one. A rhombus is used to represent a conditional statement with two outputs, true or false. Variable initialization and assignment statements are represented in rectangles. Let's take a simple example to understand how a flowchart is created. In this problem, we want to create an interest rate calculator. The pseudocode of the algorithm used is as follows. Initialize the interest rate, prompt the user for the balance, calculate the interest as the multiplication of the interest rate and the balance, and then output it. To represent this as a flowchart, we start the algorithm, then initialize the interest rate in a rectangle, followed by a parallelogram to take the balance as an input from the user, do the interest calculation in a rectangle, another parallelogram to output the interest to the user, and then close the chart with the stop shape. Notice the matching of the flowchart and the pseudocode steps. Although flowcharts are easy to read and very intuitive, for extensive programs, maintaining a flowchart can be very challenging.